In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use bar replay for Forex backtesting in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to select a Forex pair and time frame, start bar replay from a specific historical point, control the playback to test your approach, and return to live data with confidence. First, open the chart. In the symbol box at the top, select your Forex pair, such as EURUSD. Then choose the time frame you want to test, like the 1-hour or the 15-minute chart. The chart should update to your chosen pair and interval, so you can see the historical price action you'll be replaying. Next, activate Replay. On the top toolbar, click the Bar Replay button. It looks like a backward or rewind icon. When you click it, TradingView enters replay mode and prepares the chart for a historical start point. Now choose your start point. A red and blue vertical line with a cursor appears on the chart. Move your mouse to the exact historical date and time where you want your backtest to begin, then click once. Aim for a point before a move you want to analyze, or any session you'd like to test. Be precise here. Your backtest will begin from the candle you select. Once clicked, future data is hidden. All candles to the right of your selected line disappear, leaving only the past data visible. This is expected and useful for Forex backtesting because it prevents you from seeing what comes next while you test your rules. Don't worry, your chart isn't missing data. It's just concealed until the replay advances. From here, control the simulation using the floating toolbar that appears. Use Play to automatically play bars forward so the chart progresses on its own. This lets you observe how price unfolds without manual input. Use Forward to advance the chart. One candle at a time. This is ideal for manual analysis, stepping bar by bar to evaluate entries, stops, or targets as you would in real time. Use Speed to adjust the pace of automated playback. If the chart is moving too slowly or too quickly, change the speed until it matches your preferred testing rhythm. Use Jump to if you want to quickly select a new starting point. Click Jump to, then, click a different historical date and time on the chart to reposition your replay. This helps you move to another segment of history without exiting bar replay. As you control the simulation, watch the price action form exactly as it would have in the past. You can pause when needed to assess the setup, then continue advancing with either play or forward. Stay focused on the candles and the time frame you selected, and let the replay progress reveal each new bar in sequence. This keeps your Forex backtesting realistic and unbiased. At this point, you've completed your review or test. To leave replay mode and return to the latest price, exit Replay. Click Go to real time. The chart will jump back to live data, and all the previously hidden candles will reappear, so you're back in the current market. That's it. You've used bar replay for Forex backtesting in TradingView, selecting your pair and time frame, starting from a chosen point in history, controlling playback with play, forward, speed, and jump to, and then returning to live data. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.